Installing your Craftmade remote control requires only a few simple tools. First, turn off power at the main breaker panel. Lower the canopy of your ceiling fan to expose the fan bracket attached to your junction box. Check to ensure that power is not present using your circuit tester. Remove the existing wire nuts and electrical tape and separate wires. Carefully insert the receiver into the canopy bracket with the black and white wires on the same side as the wires from your junction box. Make sure none of the wires are caught in the bracket as you insert the receiver. Connect the ground wires first, then the white and black wires from the receiver to the matching junction box supply wires. On the other side of the receiver, connect the coordinating fan motor wires to the remote control receiver as shown. Some of our DC motor fans include receivers with additional wires to connect and include pre-installed plastic Molex connectors that snap together for easy installation. You will insert the receiver into the fan bracket, ensuring the wires and antenna are free. Next, connect the tape and all the green and ground wires together. Then connect the white and black wires from the receiver on the side marked AC in to the corresponding junction box supply wires as shown. Repeat to connect the fan motor wires to the remote control receiver wires on the receiver side labeled to motor. Finally, snap the two plastic Molex connectors together firmly to complete the wiring. Some of our more advanced DC motor fans will have 6 wires coming from the motor. You will insert the receiver into the fan bracket, ensuring the wires and antenna are free. If your receiver includes wires with Molex connectors and your motor does not, use your wire cutters to cut off the Molex connectors and strip the wires as shown. On the AC inside of the remote receiver, connect the fan wires to the wires in the junction box using the provided wire connectors: green to ground, white to white, black to black. On the fan side of the receiver, frequently labeled to motor, connect the remaining wires to the corresponding colored wires from the fan motor assembly. Once you have completed the wiring, including safely taping all connections and tucking into the junction box, it's time to lift and secure the canopy in place per the installation manual. If your Craftmade fan includes a wall control, you will need to replace the existing switch with your new wall control. With the power off at the breaker panel, remove the switch plate screws and plate. Using your circuit tester, check to ensure that power is off. To remove the existing wall switch, disconnect the wires as shown. Notice you will have 2 black wires in the junction box, one to the power supply and the other is to the fan. Wire the new fan wall control into the outlet box using wire nuts provided. Green to ground, black to black supply wire, the second black wire to the black wire to the fan. Wrap each wire connector with electrical tape. Very important. If a white wire is present in the outlet box, do not wire wall control to the neutral wire. This will short out your wall control and it will need to be replaced. Carefully push wires and taped wire connectors into outlet box and attach wall control to outlet box and secure with screws from original wall switch. Insert the included 12-volt battery into the wall control and attach the faceplate cover to the wall control. It is important to review wall control syncing instructions prior to restoring power to the switch. Once you have reviewed the instructions, restore power to the switch at the breaker. Slide switch at bottom of wall control to on. Complete wall control syncing instructions according to the manual. Many Craftmade remote control systems include a second wall control. The wall control is a dual-purpose design and can either be installed as a hardwired wall control or as a handheld remote control. Using wire cutters, trim the wall control wires as close as possible to the wall control to allow proper fit into the black clamshell. Insert the included 12-volt battery and attach the faceplate to complete the assembly. Slide switch at the bottom of the remote to on to activate. Follow remote control automated learning process / syncing instructions according to the installation guide. Congratulations! You are ready to enjoy the convenience of your new remote control. For those who are installing a remote control on a DC fan motor, further information is available online using the QR code on your screen. Please note, if you are unsure or uncomfortable working with electricity, please contact a licensed electrician or check with your local lighting showroom who will be happy to assist you.